Hello friends, myself Mitesh Save and my presentation topic is cash flow and life cycle state of a company for the subject of analysis of financial management. Cash flow statement meaning a cash flow statement is a financial statement that provides aggregate data regarding all cash inflows a company received from its ongoing operations and external environment sources. The cash flow statement. The cash flow statement provides information about cash received, cash inflow, uses of cash flow, cash outflow during a period of time. In cash receipt, a cash receipt is a proof of purchase issue when the buyer has paid in cash. This cash received from its perfect for any industry and can be provided as proof of payment uh, or payment received. Inflow and outflow are reported for operating activity, uh, investing activity, and financing activity. In operating activity, this includes very basically and all your businesses day-to-day activities, including receivables, payables, credit card, lines of the credit, etc. This does not include loan principal payments and purchase of depreciable assets. Investing activities. Investing includes all the purchase of depreciable assets that you make. It can also include some of the funds received when those assets are sold. Third, financing activity. In a small business, a major source of cash from financing activities is the money received from a long-term loan which is used to buy an assets. Classification of business activities, inflow and outflow of cash. In operating activities, two parts, cash inflow and cash outflow. In cash inflow, cash sales received from debtor, commission and fee and royalty. In cash outflow, cash purchase, payment to creditors, cash operating expenses, payment of wages, income tax, manufacturing expenses. In investing activity, there are two parts, cash inflow and cash outflow. In cash inflow, first sale of fixed asset, sale of investment, interest received, dividend received, and working capital recovery. In cash outflow, purchase of fixed assets, purchase of investment, and working capital. Third, financing activity. There are two parts, cash inflow and cash outflow. In cash inflow, issue of shares in cash, issue of debentures in cash, proceed from long-term borrowing. In cash outflow, payment of loans, redemption of preference shares, payment of dividends, interest paid, repayment of finance lease liability. Objectives of cash flow statement. First, highlighting cash flow from different activities. Second, short-term planning. Third, cash flow information helps to understand liquidity. Fourth, efficient cash management. Fifth, prediction of sickness. Six, comparison with budget. Seven, cash positions. Cash flow statement limitations. First, does not show the liquidity position of the firm. It is not suitable for income statement. Last, does not show the financial position of the firm in totally. Preparation of a statement of cash flow. Use net operating income as the starting point to get net operating cash flow. Add back any non-cash expenses, example depreciation. Formula net cash flow is equal to cash inflow minus cash outflow. Net operating cash flow is equal to income after taxes plus depreciation. Life cycle stage of a business. Objective of life cycle stage. Identify the life cycle stage of a new business. Comment on the invention stage of a small business. Discuss the importance of the startup stage of a small business. Describe the growth stage of a small business. Distinguish between the maturity and harvest stages of a small business. Life cycle stage of a business. First step is invention, second step startup, third step growth, fourth step breakout, for fifth stage maturity, and sixth stage harvest. In invention, first creation or identification of opportunity, safeguarding of intellectual property, product liability, and market research. Invention protection of IP, safeguarding of invention, designing, know-how, skill and name. According to the Patent Office, intellectual property rights allow people to own their creativity and innovation in the same way they can own physical property. Invention protection of IP. Four main type of IP that business owners should consider protecting in the early stage of business: trademarks, product or service as a brand that allows it to be differentiated, patent for new and improved products and process that can be applied, copyright for material such as music, film, etc., design that specific appearance such as shape, texture, etc. In startup, for many, this is the only stage that a small business may experience. It is by far the most difficult to survive. Without a sound business plan, it is impossible to get a business off the ground and running. Growth stage, initial stage of planning, losses until break even, and then increasing revenue. How businesses manage and how able to compete in its marketplace will determine survival. Must be able to respond to changes in external environment. Internal environment will also be challenging, uh, cash flow, leadership, etc. Breakthrough stage, all about expansion. Business reach point where there is sufficient revenue to justify its extension. Fixed and variable costs are covered. Cash and good credit record can be used to write finance. Business hires develop delegate authority. Acute cash problem can develop during periods of rapid growth, and also operational efficiencies very carefully management required. Maturity stage. In maturity stage, business stable enough to serve most unforeseen circumstances. Second, can pull those most market dips. Owner very experienced and knowledgeable. Most extension system in place. Owner may be looking for exit strategy. In harvest stage, can get declining profit. Second, take heavy losses and eventually fail or cases to operate. Idea goal for business owner is to harvest the efforts that they have put in over the year. All exit strategies are legally, financially, and operationally complex. Must employ professionals to assist.